Hello, welcome to WorldSkills. I'm in the aircraft maintenance area with Poggy.
Yes.
How are you? Fine?
I'm great.
Thank you so much. What were the tasks today for your different competitors?
Oh, we have 5 different tasks.
Yeah.
You can see here is the engine power plant task that they have to work on. So we have 3 different engines for them to work on with 3 sub-tasks. And over that side, we have the electrical module.
Okay.
So they will work on avionics, wiring, and connections.
Okay. Today, what were...
You can see over there, we have the UK ladies.
UK ladies
UK,
in
yes.
aircraft maintenance?
Aircraft maintenance. And she is now working on the engine module.
Okay. It's very difficult.
Well, we have Safran here to give us guidance, but it is very specialized task working on the engine.
So you have ladies in aircraft maintenance?
Yes, we need ladies for aircraft maintenance. Yes, because why? Ladies are meticulous. And in the aviation industry, we have a big spectrum of tasks that can suit different personality and people.
You have only one?
One more lady over there.
More ladies. Oh, okay.
We have another lady from South Africa.
Okay.
Yeah. And she is now working on the electrical module, laying wiring. Yes. So she's there working.
Okay. Excellent.
We have ladies from different nations as well. We have one from Finland, but she's not here at the moment.
You need to improve the numbers of ladies in your aeronautical...
Yes, we need to encourage them to take up the challenge of aircraft maintenance. Sometimes they think that it is tough. Sometimes they think that they need a lot of strength, but it's not true. Aircraft maintenance is about being meticulous, being careful.
Yeah. What skills are proven to be most challenging for competitors here?
All skills are challenging.
All skills? Okay.
In aircraft maintenance, we train our technicians and engineers for a long period to meet aviation safety requirements. And over here, we have the sheet metal fabrication. So we do drilling, riveting, and fabrication for aircraft structures. And over here, the next station, we have aircraft composite. New aircraft, Airbus 350, Boeing 777, we use lots of composite material. So this is the composite. In this area? Yes.
Okay. Has any team or individual exceeded your expectations during this week?
Wow.
All?
I am very impressed with the skills that the competitors, they were prepared, they came equipped, and they are all doing very well. However, we have 5 different trades, and so you may excel in 3, you may be a bit weak in 2. So the overall champion must be holistically trained for all.
We have another... Here.
The next one is the most exciting.
The most exciting is here. Come, follow.
This is our aircraft maintenance.
Oh, with a Colibri H1...
120, yes.
120.
H120 Airbus helicopter.
Airbus. Yeah.
So right now we have the competitor from Singapore who is now inspecting the aircraft.
Inspecting like a pre-flight?
Yes,
like a pre-flight maintenance.
We must look for defects.
Okay.
We must fix the defect and dispatch the aircraft.
Okay.
So we have expert from Iran, expert from South Africa, experts from UAE watching over him.
What are your predictions for the remaining days of the competition? Who win? You have an idea? But
we will know on the closing ceremony.
Exactly, on Sunday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Another topic now at WorldSkills, water technology is a critical field that South Africa actively participates in. Let's have more explanation with Haley.
How much do you know about water technology? Probably as much as me, which is not a lot. Luckily, I'm here with Ruth Shokani, who is a coach of water technology here at WorldSkills for the South African team. And what a fantastic coach they have, because you've just completely briefed me on your domain, on your skill. So maybe you can share with us exactly what water technology is first.
Okay. This is water technology is a skill where we empower our students with different ways of treating water or purifying water. I am from South Africa and we have a serious shortage of water in South Africa. Hence, we need more of water technologists. In front of me here, it's a very beautiful equipment. So what is important is that water purification process, it's a process that needs to be learned by the students, and they have to observe it. If you can check, this is a simulation plant. You can use this plant in the class to teach your students. We normally teach them about the theory, but we don't have the practice. So this equipment is the purification plant. That is a practical that you need for the students to learn about water purification and wastewater purification. So as you can see, this plant simulates the water treatment process and the wastewater treatment process. Remember, the water that you drink is the one that we recycle. We clean the water that we have used, we recycle it, and then we take it back to the water purification plant where we drink it again. In South Africa, we recycle the water. We don't throw the water away, because water is a very much scarce commodity in South Africa.
So this is more than an actual skill. This is primordial in just humans' survival, isn't it? It must be so great to be able to share your knowledge with this young generation of professionals that are coming up, and of course teaching them and sharing your wisdom with them about water technology.
Yes, that's true. Remember that in South Africa, we're having a challenge that in this industry is populated by males. So now what you are doing, due to youth unemployment in South Africa, we're trying to impart more of the skill to our female youth, our girl child, that they should have this technology of purifying the water.
And of course, they have a great role model with you, Ruth, because you are a woman. You're an expert in this domain. So, how important is it to have women already established in water technology to pass on to the next female generation?
That will be the greatest thing, because now the old men that are working in industry, when they retire, they go with a skill. So we feel that it's important for empowerment, for empowering the girl child. They need to have this skill. And the only way for them to have this skill is for us to impart it. And how do we impart it? By teaching them in the class and having this type of simulation plants in the class.
And having role models like yourself. Now, the competition area is just ahead of us. Should we go and take a look? And maybe you can tell us about how many competitors are taking part here at WorldSkills.
All right. Currently, we're having 8 competitors that are competing today. And in these competitors, we only have 2 ladies that are competing. So as you can see, that this confirms what I'm saying. And we need more countries to partake in this skill. Water is a serious crisis, so we need more countries to participate in this skill. And if you can check, water technology, it's more advanced. This is a combination of chemical engineering, electrical engineering, and mechanical engineering. For example, as you can see there, she's doing the labs, she's testing the water. Remember that the water has to be fit for human consumption, and the only way to determine that is for us to test the water. As you can see now here, she's busy doing the titration practical, and then again we do have automation. In automation, we have process control. These students, they need to know how to control the process using the recent technologies. So they put the software inside the computer, and their students can do what? They can run the plant.
Tell us about your role as a coach and the fact that you're imparting your wisdom onto the young youth of today. What is it like for you? You must be very proud. There must be a sense of pride in yourself when you do see the younger generation acquiring these skills that you've taught them.
Yeah, it makes me very proud to see, especially our young generation partaking in this skill or being able to purify the water. Because in the past it was very difficult. You couldn't see a girl child purifying the water, but now with all this, wow. With the advancements in technology, then it's easy. Most of our girl child are able to operate the water purification plants, and they are more knowledgeable about that. And it's not only about purification, it's also about process control, how to control the process.
Do you think it's also a question of education with regards to young women getting involved and the fact that maybe they're not aware of this kind of technology?
Yes, we need education is very much important because remember that for them to be able to operate the processes or to purify the water, they must be knowledgeable of the processes. And how are they going to acquire that knowledge? We have to teach them in the class about that. So now, because of these occupational qualifications that are coming in South Africa, those will give us they will give our youth more information about. In fact, they will link theory into practice. So our students will be more hands-on.
I imagine it's very important for the South African delegation to be present here at WorldSkills and to demonstrate, what you're capable of doing for those that are at home, and to see you all on a world stage here at WorldSkills. How important is that?
This is very, very much important because it will also encourage some of our youth that are there in South Africa. They will see that this is real, it's happening. And I'm proud to say that we as South Africa, we came here with 23 skills, and our students are really, really working hard in this competition. And we are proud as South Africans to have a representation here.
Fantastic. Thank you very much, Ruth.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome.
A free hug, that's the WorldSkills spirit. Now I'm in the painting and decorating area. So how are you? Fine?
Je vais très bien, merci.
Cyril Bertom est avec moi. So switch in French mode. So activate your subtitles to have the translation in English. Cyril, bonjour. Merci de nous accueillir dans ce stand de peinture sur cette zone. Quelles étaient les tâches demandées ce jour à vos compétiteurs?
Donc sur cette deuxième journée de troisième, pardon.
Troisième déjà. On sent la fatigue qui commence à être là.
Oui. Nous sommes ici déjà depuis pas mal de temps à préparer l'atelier.
Ouais.
Donc nous sommes bien sur la troisième journée de compétition. Sur cette troisième journée de compétition, la majorité des compétiteurs travaillent sur le design, donc l'activité principale de ce sujet, donc est le logo Lyon 2024. Donc beaucoup sont dessus ce travail-là et travaillent en parallèle sur l'œuvre libre. L'œuvre libre, vraiment la partie qui intéresse le plus le public, car c'est la personnalisation de chaque compétiteur que l'on retrouve sur la partie droite de chaque cabine, où le compétiteur met en avant son pays ou le pays hôte ou un mix des deux en proposant une œuvre libre. Donc quelque chose qui attire beaucoup le public, de voir l'évolution de cette œuvre libre.
Est-ce qu'il y a des œuvres et des réalisations qui vous ont concrètement surpris et qui vont au-delà de vos attentes?
On ne va pas dire qu'il y en a une ou plusieurs qui m'ont surprise. On va dire que beaucoup répondent aux critères demandés et on retrouve beaucoup de choses différentes et on peut s'apercevoir que la France inspire beaucoup les autres pays du monde.
Ce qui est une bonne nouvelle.
Ce qui est une très bonne nouvelle.
Vous le savez, aujourd'hui, il y a une thématique. On a eu la journée des scolaires, on a eu la journée de l'engagement, de Youth Engagement. Aujourd'hui, on est sur cette journée Breaking the Bias, c'est-à-dire casser les barrières, les stéréotypes. Et dans votre métier, on peut le voir, beaucoup de femmes participent aux WorldSkills.
Oui, cela fait déjà pas mal d'éditions que l'on retrouve beaucoup de femmes. Sur cette édition WorldSkills Sion 2024, nous sommes quasiment sur du moitié-moitié en tant que femmes et hommes. Et sans faire de généralité, les femmes sont souvent très investies dans le concours, montrent souvent une maturité un peu supérieure aux garçons pour le même âge. Et donc, il ne serait pas impossible de retrouver plusieurs femmes sur le podium d'ici dimanche soir.
Comment votre métier a fait pour attirer justement plus de femmes dans vos savoir-faire? C'est quoi? C'est parce que il y a plus de créativité ou parce qu'il y a moins de barrières finalement?
La partie créativité, oui, a aidé le développement de la féminisation de notre métier, mais les nombreuses émissions à la télé sur la décoration ont aussi permis une ouverture du métier.
Et
grâce à ça,
de plus en plus de personnes y participent. Alors on est vraiment dans les coulisses de cet événement.
Exactement.
On voit que tout est prêt. Et là, ils sont en train de préparer, hein, on le voit, sans rentrer dans les zones puisque c'est interdit. Mais on le voit, beaucoup de public, vous l'avez dit, beaucoup de personnes hyper intéressées.
Oui, on a la chance d'avoir aussi un métier très visuel où l'espace de travail peut changer d'une heure à l'autre.
Ah oui, oui.
Et cela attire facilement le public.
Beaucoup de supporters hein, sur cette zone.
Beaucoup de supporters. On est un métier du BTP où, comme je vous l'ai dit précédemment, on retrouve des femmes aussi et ça attire beaucoup de monde.
Bon, il ne reste plus qu'une journée. Qu'est-ce qu'ils vont devoir mettre en œuvre pour cette dernière journée, peut-être pour faire la différence? Que j'imagine que certains sont un peu au coude à coude, non?
C'est ça, l'organisation de travail va vraiment être déterminante pour la fin de ce concours. Ils vont devoir réaliser un bon mode opératoire pour pouvoir passer du logo principal à l'œuvre libre et aussi la porte qu'ils ont à terminer avec notamment la partie pulvérisation.
Ah, ils vont devoir effectuer cette tâche
qu'on peut retrouver dans cette zone avec les cabines de pulvérisation.
Avec les cabines qui seront juste là, les cabines de pulvérisation. Merci beaucoup pour cette visite.
De rien.
On vous souhaite une belle dernière journée.
Merci.
Parce que rien n'est fini. Et puis réponse, vous le savez, dimanche soir lors de la cérémonie de clôture. So thank you for watching us. See you tomorrow morning in Skills Live at 10:30. It will be the last day of the competition. So take care and see you soon.